Pontiac Solstice. Car needs a clutch. As you can see, I had to remove most of the console because the bolt, hardened stainless, factory glued in, will not come out of the shifter. Broke 3 bits, took the console off, tried the last bit with an impact, broke that one. So as you see, I'm drilling it out. You have to go through all of these drill bits, because it's very hard stainless, before the die grinder bit fits. And that makes pretty short work of it. One more regular drilling and it should be right off of there. That will be video part 2.